to my channel. It's Tia, and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the bell. And if you have subscribed, thank you so much. If you're new here, welcome. So happy to have you. Today I am reviewing a wig from a company called Forever Young. This is the box here. This is Forever Young. I got it from Wigs.com. I'll put the price down below what I paid for it. They had like a big 30% off sale, so I scooped up a bunch. I scooped up Miss KELL for $81.99. This is Miss KELL, and she is in the color 24BT18, 24BT18. I love this wig. Okay, I love this wig. This is a sort of protein infused yaki texture situation. I love the color. It's a tousled beachy look. This is like perfect for the beach. It's a lace front, but it is the French lace, which is the hard lace, so just keep in mind that could be a little bit scratchy if you have some scalp sensitivity issues, but it's just right along here. It's got 3 combs in the front. Once we are done talking about the wig, I'll show you all the clips of how I got her together. It took about 2 seconds. Although she's a lace front, she's still a skin top parting, which is kind of interesting. I put powder in the part just because the skin top wasn't my skin, especially because now I'm bronzed from the summertime. It's a very comfortable wig cap. I would not say it's an overly large wig cap. Definitely not an overly large wig cap. So if you are looking maybe for a smaller wig cap, this might be a really good option for you. I didn't even pull the straps in, and it's not going anywhere. Let's look at her from the back. So pretty nice movement. I'd say she's in the 16-inch range. I feel like if you wanted to and took a little heat to her, a little hairspray, you could do like a really cute flip over situation. Oh yeah, definitely. You would just need to take a little bit of heat and hairspray to her, but you could do a flip over and that would be so cute. I feel like you can just run your hands. I just like this wig a lot. I love the texture of the wig. I think this is definitely a multicultural wig. This texture and style is going to work for a lot of different people. I would just choose the color that is best for you. You know, I like my blonde mixes. I've been doing some more natural colors, so I had to go back to my blondes. Okay, and I think this is so perfect for the summer, and I'm excited, and I can't wait to wear this. And so yeah, that's what I have for you for Miss KELL. All of the information will be down below on terms of links to buy, prices. Also, right after this will be the clips of me getting this chick together. So if you have KELL, go ahead and put down below your thoughts. If you have any other Forever Young, Forever Young wigs, also put that down together. Also put that down below. And if there's another Forever Young wig you would like me to review, also put that down below. And if you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
How do I feel about being a member of the Information Society? That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the Information Society.